this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Opera browser on your Samsung Galaxy S22. So in order to do that, we'll need to go to our Google Play Store. It's this app right here for me. It can be somewhere else on your phone, just try to find it. And now you should see something like this. Press on the search and find Opera, like that. Click on the loop right here and select install on this app right here. After it's done, just click on the open and you have your Opera installed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.